Guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I have you rubber band to an RC car, and we're gonna be driving it with you on it. Let me get out of zoom a little bit. Oh, that's good. Now, count of 3. I let go of this car. Let me go. Go! This car's not very good off-roading.
Yeah, because it doesn't turn. I'd give him 5%.
Your car's slow.
That's why I'm giving him
I need a straight path. Hang on, I gotta fix the camera. Alright, camera fixed. Ow!
sumo wrestling.
Knocked me the grass, man. It's no nice. No nice. Guys! Oh, I'm here. You don't know how far you guys went.
Yeah, sumo wrestling.
I gotta get my back intact. Alright.
Me too.
So, face off, bro. Face off. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, go! I would beat you in a race, though.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm back, and I got you. I'm gonna go for a little spin. Let's go. It's on, Tubby!
That's cheating. You're cheating hard. You cheated.
I'm not working. Never cheat!
You know the time. Face off again.
I never cheat. I'm going on the deck because it seems flatter and more of boxiness. Yeah, that's right, boxiness. By the way, guys, I'm at my grandma's house, so this is my regular house. Oh yeah, I start up strong. Ah, look into my eyes. Okay, I gotta move now. Okay, you start over there. I'll start here. When I say go, we fight. Okay?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Ah, cheater!
You lost because of yourself. I picked it because
You were scared.
no, because you're so.
Oh my gosh! The camera's still fine.
Come
Fine.
on, face off.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Sadly, this car doesn't go backwards.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, the backwards doesn't go. So I have to like set it back. Oh my! I'm stuck.
Yeah, me too.
Turn it around because it doesn't have turn either.
And if you fall off, you're dead.
Oh, you should have blocked. got to me and I would have been dead. Like you would have moved and I would have oh yeah! Sumo wrestle! Hang on, I gotta back up. Okay, wait! Go over there!
Hey, cheater.
Okay. Hang on, I gotta fix the camera angle. And go! Hang on, set my back! Get away! I gotta set my back, I said.
I can kick off.
Go! Feel the power! Donald Trump! Hang on, I set my back,
Okay.
Spin the tires! Go!
I'm out. No, I'm dead. Oh, your camera.
It's fine. I think we're done for the RC cars for right now. Over there, Grandma's over there. Yeah, such a nice little pond. So guys, I'll see you in the next